If you're trying to transfer your Instagram account from an old phone to a new phone, I'm here to help you today. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your settings on your phone and make sure your Instagram is being backed up. If you're using an iPhone like me, you should choose iCloud and see all the applications and make sure your Instagram is being backed up. If this option is like this one, if it's turned off, you need to turn it on before logging out so you don't lose any data. And then you need to head over to your Instagram account, and from the settings section, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the logout option. And if you tap on it, you can just log out of your account. Here, you can type your username and password and then log in. In my case, I have my password saved on my phone, so all I have to do is just use my Face ID to log in. And if you don't remember your password, you can just tap on Forgot Password and it will send a link to your Gmail so you can log in to your account easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel after you logged in.